How to change currency on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change currency on Roblox. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will go to roblox.com and you will of course get here. Now I'll show you how to change the currency. So what you can do is you can go to your settings and you will get right here. So we had an option to change currency right here. Like you will get to your settings and you will scroll down and you will get the option to change currency. But I don't know why, but Roblox decided to come with an update and now the option is gone. The option is not available anymore. But I have a way for you guys that will help you change currency. So what you guys need to do is you need to change your country on Roblox and that will automatically change your currency. So that's the easiest way we can do this right now. Just change your country on Roblox. And how you can change your country? Well, you can use a VPN for that. So once you are using a VPN, it will allow you to change your country and then you can change your currency as well. When it comes to using a VPN, I will suggest NordVPN or ExpressVPN, and they're really good. They will help you actually, use Roblox. So once you have changed your country, then you will be able to change your currency as well. And I also had another currency first, but I changed it $2 right here, you can see, and you can also change your currency in this way. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.